The best way to make 5 to 10K online as a complete beginner. You're going to need a phone, laptop, and Wi-Fi connection. No inventory costs, no sales, no drop shipping. Oh, and don't worry about saturation. 90% of people watching this will scroll right by, so you keep watching. The market for this side hustle is going up every single day. And you can either do this part-time or full-time like me. Okay, so I'm about to walk you through the process and give you a complete example. Make sure you like, save, and follow. Where you promote other people's product or service for a commission. First, you want to head on over to Digistore 24 and register for free, then get your own account. Then you want to go to Marketplace. There you get to see all these cool products that you get to promote. Be sure to pick a popular niche. Now I'm going to go with health and fitness. You want to make sure you pick something that's selling like hotcakes and has a high commission rate. You want to click the promote button. Now, every time someone clicks from your affiliate link, you earn a commission. And also my 7-figure mentor. If you want to get started,